Do you understand English, but when you try to speak, you suddenly forget everything? You know the words, you know the grammar, but when someone asks you a simple question like, "What did you do today?" you think, how should I answer? If this happens to you, don't worry. You don't need to learn thousands of English words to start speaking English. You need to learn how to use the English you already know. Today, I'm going to show you a simple method that you can practice every day. Step 1. Stop learning single words. Many English learners memorize words like hungry, tired, busy, excited, but knowing individual words doesn't automatically help you speak. Instead, learn complete sentences. For example, don't just learn hungry. Learn I'm hungry. Then learn I'm very hungry and I'm getting hungry. Now you can actually use the word in conversation. Step 2. Learn English through your daily life. You don't need to sit with a grammar book all day. Start describing what you are doing. For example, when you wake up, say, I'm getting out of bed. When you brush your teeth, say, I'm brushing my teeth. When you make tea, say, I'm making a cup of tea. When you eat breakfast, say, I'm having breakfast. When you leave home, say, I'm leaving home. This is one of the easiest ways to build speaking ability because you're connecting English with something you're actually doing. Step 3. Use the question and answer method. This is a very powerful technique. Ask yourself a simple question and answer it in English. For example, question, what did you do this morning? Answer, I woke up at 7, I brushed my teeth and made some tea. Then I had breakfast. Don't worry if your sentences are simple. Simple English is still English. Step 4. Don't translate every sentence. Many learners first think in their mother tongue, then translate everything into English. This makes speaking slow. For example, instead of thinking, Ab mujhe chai banani hai, how do I say this? Train yourself to directly think, I need to make tea. Instead of mujhe thoda rest karna hai, think, I need to get some rest. Start with very small sentences. Slowly, your brain will become comfortable with English. Step 5. Use the 5-sentence rule. Here's a simple daily exercise. Choose one topic every day. For example, my morning routine. Now speak 5 sentences. 1. I wake up at 7. 2. I brush my teeth. 3. I make a cup of tea. 4. I have breakfast with my family. 5. Then I start my work. That's it. Don't try to speak for 30 minutes on your first day. Start with 5 sentences, then increase them to 10, then 15. Step 6. Speak even if you make mistakes. This is extremely important. Don't wait until your English is perfect. If you wait for perfect grammar, you may never start speaking. For example, you might say, yesterday I go to the market. The correct sentence is, yesterday I went to the market. That's okay. Correct your mistake and say the sentence again. Yesterday I went to the market. That's how you improve. Mistakes are not the enemy. Not speaking is the enemy. Step 7. Use shadowing. Another great way to improve your speaking is shadowing. Listen to a short English sentence, pause it, then repeat it exactly. For example, I'm not feeling well today. Listen, pause, repeat, I'm not feeling well today. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Do this for just 10 minutes every day. Let's practice together. Now, I'll give you a simple situation. Imagine your friend asks, what are you doing? Don't think too much. Say, I'm making breakfast. Your friend asks, "What are you making?" You say, "I'm making some eggs and toast." Your friend asks, "Are you going to work today?" You say, "Yes, I am. I have to leave at 9." See? You don't need complicated English. You need simple English that you can actually use. Your daily 15-minute English routine. Try this every day. 5 minutes, learn sentences. Learn 5 useful sentences. 5 minutes, speak. Talk about your day using those sentences. 5 minutes, shadow. Listen to English and repeat after the speaker. Do this for every day for 30 days. You may notice that English sentences start coming to your mind more naturally. So, remember these 3 things. Learn sentences, not just words. Speak every day, even if you make mistakes. Use English in your daily life. You don't become a good English speaker by studying English alone. You become a good English speaker by using English. So don't wait until your English is perfect. Start with 1 sentence today, then another tomorrow, and keep speaking. Your confidence will grow with your practice. If you found this video useful, subscribe to the channel for more simple English speaking practice. And in the comments, write 1 sentence. Today, I'm going to... Let's practice English together.